The three autonomous district councils of Meghalaya, Garo Hills, Khasi Hills and Jaintia Hills have collectively submitted a proposal exceeding rupees 8,800 crores to the 16th Finance Commission for various developmental activities. The Garo Hills Autonomous District Council sought rupees 5,042.30 crore, the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council rupees 2,641.54 crore and the Jaintia Hills Autonomous District Council rupees 1,019.60 crores. The proposal signed by all three councils was formally submitted to the Finance Commission during a meeting which they described as highly productive.
Today's meeting was very fruitful. All the three ADCs, we have jointly signed a memorandum and submitted to the Honorable Chairman and the team of the 16th Finance Commission. And there are three very major important points that we highlighted. Number one is that the recommendation of the 16th Finance Commission to all the ADCs in Meghalaya from next year onward, more grants should be for untied grants.